Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the sticker advent calendar that is florals from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. I am on her PR team, but even if I wasn't, I would still be purchasing these because take a look. They're absolutely gorgeous. And yes, I am holding my cutter wrong. I'm going to show you each day all in one video, so this way you get to see, even though I was posting daily on Instagram showing you every single sticker that came in this beautiful set, I still wanted to do one video for you guys. So I will show you each one. So now we're on day 3. I did put them into bundles at the end to kind of show you all of them together. So you'll get to see all of that. So day 4, look how pretty. So yes, they're not the same. So each sticker sheet is different. They are hand-drawn. Every 5th envelope is gold, you guys. It is gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. So this is on a clear matte sheet. I love them. I can't wait to use all of these. Look at that. These are so beautiful. So day 7, so there's 25 of these, and then I'm gonna do also the Lux sticker advent calendar, so I'll show you those. I am so obsessed. I couldn't wait to release this video soon enough to show you all of these beauties. Look at these florals. They're gorgeous. And yes, I'm going kind of fast because there's a lot to go through. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're hanging with me yet again, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I am so happy you're here. Look how beautiful all of these are. So day 11, this is so much faster and easier than when I was doing it one day at a time, you guys. What a difference. Day 12. Look at these pink, beautiful florals on this sheet. And now we're on 13, the lucky number. Look at these. Holy moly. These are beautiful. So second set. So they come in 2 sets of envelopes. So I'm going to open that and we'll go from here. So this is the 14th day. Look how pretty. You get washi with the pink. So pretty. 15th. Those green stickers are so beautiful and they're gonna look so gorgeous in the planner. I can't wait to use them with you guys. Look at these. These are so delicate. 17. And again, I'll show you all of them at the end yet again. Look at this. Like such a beautiful fall color. 18. Gorgeous. 19. So more of those fall flowers. So now you have at least 2 pages of those. 20th, the greens. 21. Look at these. These remind me of the bookish collection from her. And you have these. These are so beautiful. They're new. I've never seen them at her shop before. 23. More of those fall ones. 24. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are like the lavender collection. 25. Oh, you get 2. Okay, Merry Christmas, you guys. So let's go ahead and put all of them together now. So I'm just gonna pile them up. I'll show you all of them one by one after I'm done putting them in collections. I just need a lot more room than I normally do. So If you're not seeing all of it, that's because I took all of the envelopes and I'm just compiling them into different collections. It's a pink one. Look at that pink. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, yes. Just found another collection, so I need to move it up. But then I'll put all of them together and show you one by one. Look at these. They're so delicate and beautiful. I really, really am excited. So most of them are on paper backing. The green ones, they're a single shade. They're on like a clear matte. So let me show you all of these. Okay, so now I get to show you all of them. First is this beautiful fall collection. At least I call it fall because of the colors. Then I have these pink ones, these pinky orange ones that are beautiful. Then we have some ones that you can color in. So beautiful, right? Then the purple and mauve ones. I think those might be one of my favorites. Then you have these delicate pink, purplish kinds. And these are the ones I was saying they're on clear matte backing. They're awesome. Then we have these pink ones. Look at that. Then we have these. So these are all of the stickers that were in this collection, and they're absolutely amazing and adorable. So that's how many stickers you get. You get 26 sheets. And now we're going to open the second advent calendar. This one is the luxury one. So this one comes with big sheets. Yep, it has a wax seal. It is so awesome. So you get 12 envelopes. So this one is starts on the 14th of December. And I was showing one page at a time as well, in case you watched my Instagram, but we get to unveil them, all of them, one at a time. Look at this Nordic Light theme for January. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that it's monthly. So I'm going to put this on the side. This is February. So it is month by month. Look how beautiful. Like, her hand-drawn illustrations are just to die for. At least for me. Like, I am obsessed. Then we have March. Look at this. I love March. The window, the outfit, the plants, like all of it. Then we have April. April is absolutely stunning. I know a lot of you said that it was your favorite. Look at the city and the croissants and all of it is just stunning. Then we have May. Wow, so pretty. Birds, flowers, bird cage, so pretty. June, this is the only one I'm not crazy for because I'm not a camper, but it is still stunning and beautiful. And if you're into camping, I bet it's like the bee's knees of camping stickers. This is July, and look how beautiful purple clouds with florals. August is seaside. It is so pretty, you guys. I'm so obsessed with all of them. September. Oh my gosh. Look at this kitchen and look at the birch trees. So gorgeous. October. This one is a cool one. It's very, very scary and different and very elegant still. That's what I wanted to say about the stickers. All of them feel very elegant. October book. December is, of course, Christmas theme. Beautiful. So these are all of these. They are gorgeous. So I'm going to show you one by one again. November. October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, and January. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!